to the ground the inside engines are.
And that's the sound of the Merlin. So cool to hear that motor. It's on the roll, ladies and gentlemen. Here comes the C-130 Hercules. With a maximum speed of over 380 miles per hour, watch them as they reach their takeoff speed and pull back sharply on the yoke. And look at the moisture coming off the props. Oh, that's so cool!
Thanks again to your team, and thanks again for all the fans coming out this weekend. We really appreciate it.
Excellent. Thanks, partner. We'll see you guys. Way to go.
All right. Take care.
You too. Now this is a big airplane, and given a very, very nice, the Navy SNJ Advanced Trainers in a trail position. How about for a very elegant looking maneuver called a barrel roll? Carving out a shape of an inside of a barrel using the ailerons, elevators, rudder, and throttle. Now we're going to do a turn on that one. Do a duster turn. Sorry, not going to do the barrel roll. Maybe they don't have the altitude on that. But the barrel roll is a very elegant looking maneuver, but is very, very challenging to do. On that turn, Mike Eberhard had to come off the power so he didn't go past. Ready, break. 3 seconds later, Mike Eberhard. It was the development and the reputation of these airplanes, NJs, these North American Texans, and the way that North American built them, not only for our military, but for the Royal Air Force, led the British Purchasing Commission, as Louis Horschel told you earlier, just how
You eject and work your way back out. But quite a performer. It was designed back in 1954. These airplanes were built in 1942. And then here's a jet that's an amazing performer, flown by the Blue Angels, that was designed just a few years later.
and HRA star and record holder. He's gonna do some huff and puff. Check it out. Get some good pictures of this. Put them up on social media. Zero to 60 in about a second and a half.